What's up, everyone? Excuse me. What's up, everybody? This is Bitcoin J coming back once again with another video. Today, I would like to talk about something that I'm not sure if anybody out there knows about. It's called the 12 Days of Coinbase. On the 12 days of Coinbase, Coinbase gave to us. Pretty cool. I gotta say, it's a little gimmicky, but they got to do something to keep them relevant in the cryptocurrency, in the cryptocurrency universe, I should say. But I like what they're trying to do, and it makes a lot of sense. And I think they're going to give bigger and better announcements here for the next 12 days. And it started on, if you can see, December 10th up until 12 days from December 10th. All right. So the 22nd. You're going to have every day at 12 noon, Coinbase is going to release a new feature that you're able to access on Coinbase. Now, for those of you who don't know what Coinbase is, and I hope you do, because if you don't, you have been sheltered and living in a cave or under a rock, and you have no clue what this is. So let me explain to you. Coinbase is probably it's the premier it's the premier exchange, U.S. exchange for cryptocurrency. So for those of us in the U.S. that would like to dabble in cryptocurrency, buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, buy some Litecoin, buy some, Zcash or anything like that, you may not know how to do it. You may think, oh, I got to go to Binance, which are all great. Binance, HitBTC or Bittrex or these other exchanges, which can be a little complicated. And that's a little bit more for the more advanced cryptocurrency enthusiasts. But Coinbase is pretty easy. All right. Because Coinbase has two versions. They have Coinbase for your remedial classes and to kind of get to know and understand cryptocurrencies and how to navigate the exchange scenes. And then they have Coinbase Pro, which is obviously, well, that's the name. Pro is for the more advanced users of cryptocurrency exchanges. So you could buy different cryptocurrencies on there. You can still buy them on Coinbase, but you can go to Coinbase Pro and you can actually see them listed, and you can see it's like a stock market exchange. It's pretty cool. It's just like a normal exchange would be. All right. So anyway, I digress. 12 days of Coinbase. Cool features. What they're doing is they're releasing every day at 12 noon a new feature. So starting December 10th, their feature was turn your crypto into gift card using Uber, Nike, and more. So we could click on this. We don't have to, but why not? All right. We often hear from customers that they want to be able to do more with a cryptocurrency. We spent 2018 focused on the behind the scenes utility work to help them do just that. The work is culminated in 12 big updates that we're excited to share with the community. One announcement every day for our very own 12 days of Coinbase. These are our holiday season thank you to the community as we head into the big 2019. So I'm not going to read everything, but it's pretty cool. You guys can go there yourself and check it out. And the link would be, I'll leave the link in the description. All right. It's pretty simple. You can Google it, but I'll make it easy on you. All right. I'll leave that link in the description. Anyway, geez, come on. Leave me alone. Oh my God. Really? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I gotta respond to that. Listen, I'm a big believer in comments, whether you like what I'm doing or hate what I'm doing. It doesn't matter to me. Just respond. Heck, subscribe. Help a brother out, man. If anything, if you don't like what I'm doing, let me know and I'll try to improve it. I'm not, all right, I have an ego. I'm not gonna lie. I might take it personal, but I'm smart enough to realize that I can improve, and I will take that as, constructive criticism. So leave me a comment, subscribe. I want to say that up front because I sometimes forget. But anyway, oh my Lord. Are you serious? All right, cool. All righty. Let's get back. All right. So you can turn your crypto into gift cards. Awesome. On December 11th, they released We Donated Zcash to help support more than 50 Venezuelan families. That's fantastic. Anytime you can help someone else, listen, I'm all about that. Really, that's kind of why I do the videos. I'm not the best YouTuber as far as in the cryptocurrency scene, but I want to get there. You know, the more videos I do, the more I get, the more research I do, the more I do them, the better you get. It's kind of like, you know, learn how to shoot a free throw. Well, you don't just go out there and shoot. Well, you can. You're gonna look like a crazy person, but you practice. You know, and that's what I'm doing. I'm practicing. So, and I think I'm doing a good job. But you be the judge. You leave me the comment, subscribe, leave me the comment, and you will see the improvements. I promise. All right. Anyway, on December 12th, we think the cryptocurrency creates economic freedom. This video explains why, which is cool. You should go watch it. It's awesome. For those of you who are kind of new or just need to, you know, wrap your arms around Coinbase and what they're doing, because a lot of times Coinbase gets a lot of hate because they've been doing some crazy stuff like not putting XRP, which is probably my favorite all-time cryptocurrency out there, on their platform, which hopefully they correct by one of these days of Coinbase. So anyway, all right, let's go back to December 13th. Watch list. Our all new watch list lets you follow assets and personalize your dashboard. All right. That's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Let's see what that's about. Watch list. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right. Anyway, PayPal. This is really cool. All right, check this out. PayPal's not stupid. PayPal will not be left behind. They realize that there's a shift in the financial sector as far as money, period. This you guys have to realize. And this is another shout out to my homie. And yes, I do have cinnamon in my coffee again. I've actually been doing this a long time. I just never coined the phrase. So I'm going to give it to my man. My props to my homie, digital asset investor, my man. Yes, cinnamon in your coffee is the bomb. So if you haven't tried it, you're hurting yourself. You before you leave this world, put a little dash will do you. Okay, sprinkle it in, sprinkle it, man. All right. Anyway, PayPal. This is pretty cool. All right, U.S. customers can now withdraw cash instantly to their PayPal account. So if you have an account with Coinbase and you have any kind of cryptocurrency and you want immediate cash, you can do it through PayPal. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's with no fee. The Coinbase is easiest, trustworthy around, minimize your cryptocurrency, easier, more affordable than ever. PayPal offers U.S. customers an alternative. Before today, you needed an ACH or Federal Wire account to withdraw funds. Very true. These traditional finance networks can add up to 2 business days to withdraw. We're always looking for ways to not only meet the bar set by traditional finance, but raise it. That's why we built our integration to ensure that the speed and reliability of PayPal withdrawals does just that. To get started, simply sign into your Coinbase and link your PayPal account to your Coinbase account. Select your PayPal account as a payment option when withdrawing your cash balance to move your funds instantly. Coinbase customers have been clear. You want to be a part of the open financial system. We believe that means more than just owning cryptocurrency. It means having the flexibility to use it how and when you want. This integration is a big step forward in realizing that vision, allowing you to smoothly and instantly transfer your funds to cash. Not in the US? Question mark. Support for PayPal will begin rolling across more countries in 2019. Stay tuned. All right, as far as the no fee thing, I'm not 100% on that, but the fact that you can instantly transfer your cryptocurrency cash, we're getting there. This mass adoption we've been talking about, it's coming. Stay tuned. All right, December 15th, we donated Bitcoin BTC to support underserved Syrian refugees in Greece. That's cool. You know what? Because Coinbase is a $1 billion company. I don't know if you guys know that. It's about, I don't know, I want to say it's 7 years old. It might be a little younger than that. But in that time frame, they become one of the most financially liquid and successful companies out there. All right. So they're $1 billion companies. So they should, donate a little money, give a little bit of money away, spread the love. All right. December 16th, 2 days ago, USDC is our first stable coin. So now they actually have a stable coin, which, for those of you who don't understand what a stable coin is, this is mainly for the people that are heavily invested in stock markets. All right. They want to get into cryptocurrency, a little scared to actually own cryptocurrency. So they like to do something with cryptocurrency, but not quite cryptocurrency. Well, that's where stable coins come in, because pretty much a stable coin is 1 for 1. So it's $1 for dollar or dollar for crypto. So for $1 that you spend in cryptocurrency, stablecoin is worth $1. Okay. And the other thing is there's no volatility in stablecoins. So that actually takes the fun out of cryptocurrency, because volatility is the whole point why you want to invest in cryptocurrency, because you can make a ton of money like in no time. Now you can lose a ton, but you can make more. All right. So that's what stablecoins are. And this is the first step towards Coinbase getting a stable. Well, they actually have one now. So USDC coin. All right. Actually not today. Yesterday, you can now convert one crypto directly to another on Coinbase. That's cool. Because before, I don't know if you realize this, you go to Coinbase, for those of you who have it, if you buy Bitcoin and, you know, a couple days later, you said, man, I really want to, you know, Litecoin went down a bunch. I really want to buy more Litecoin, but now I have to buy more Bitcoin, then, you know, sell it, then buy. You don't need to do that no more. You could take exactly what you have in Coinbase, convert it instantly, which that should have happened a long time ago. Coinbase, shame on you. What were you thinking? You didn't think you'd have this much competition. I know it's what you're thinking, but you're catching up. I'm proud of you. Grazie. Grazie. All right. Now, today at 12 p.m., I told you this. You can follow this. Put a timer on your computer. Put a timer on your stopwatch. Put a timer on your G-Shock. Put a timer on your iPhone or your Android, because the countdown begins at 12 noon. We're going to have a new release today. We don't know what it is. We don't know what they're going to be for the next 4 days. But what we do know is they'll be groundbreaking. They will be astounding. They will blow your mind. So stay tuned. That's all I got for you today. I just want to make this real quick. You know, I want to do my theatrical voice too, because I've been working on that, you know, this summer. I don't know how it sounds, be honest with you. I have to go back and listen. But anyway, folks, please do me a favor. Help a brother out. A brother struggling, and I'm trying not to struggle no more. Okay? Subscribe. Listen, if you just like to hear me act like a fool, subscribe. If you feel like what I'm giving you is pretty decent info, subscribe. If you hate what I'm doing, subscribe and hate. Don't just hate and not subscribe. Let me know who the hate's coming from. That's only fair. I'm not going to come looking for you like some other crazy dudes on YouTube. I ain't saying no names, but I done seen some videos. Dudes just crazy. If you hate what I'm doing, whatever. It's free country, right? But subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a comment, good or bad, I don't care. Just be a part. Let's talk about it. All right? I'll see you guys in the next video.